One of the wonderful things about Fourthwall is, other than being a free shop builder that lets you create a shop, whether it is shop for products that you have or print on demand products or digital products, and create memberships all for free, is that it allows you to operate your shop without buying a custom domain for yourself. But you can also add a custom domain to Fourthwall as well, which I have done here. This is what the subdomain provided by Fourthwall looks like, and this is my custom domain that I have connected to Fourthwall. Now, because of rebranding, I need to change this domain and add a new one. This is what we're going to do today. For this, after logging into Fourthwall in the home page of the dashboard here, we're going to go to the setting option. Then from here, we're going to navigate to the domain option. And at the very top, we see the domain that is connected to Fourthwall. For me, this I got from Namecheap right here. From the Namecheap dashboard, if we select the domain list option, we can find all the domains that we have gotten from Namecheap. I'm going to find the one that is connected to Fourthwall, which is this one, and then click Manage, and then click Advanced DNS. From here, in this page, we see all the records that are connected to this domain. From here, we're going to select the records that are connected to Fourthwall and delete. To find the records from Fourthwall, we're going to click this View DNS Records option, and we see all the records that are connected to Namecheap. Now all we have to do is remove them. This is actually the only lengthy part. The reason I have to do this so carefully because there is a private email that is linked to this domain, which is connected to Shopify. So I have to make sure that I do not delete the parts that are connected to Shopify and only delete the parts that are connected to Fourthwall. After this, the connecting new domain part is done fully automatically. Okay, so I think I got them all. Now I'm just going to delete them, and that's all there is to it. And here we go, and as you can see, only my Shopify and the private email that is connected to this domain, the records related to them are the only ones that are connected here. Now delete the two MX records that are connected to it. And we are done on this Namecheap side. And then we're going to see, as you can see, they are showing that the connections have been lost. Except for this one, all of them will become unconnected. It takes a little time to propagate. Now we're going to go and click this remove domain option. And after a few seconds, the domain has been disconnected. And also here, everything is all right. So now what we're going to do is go back to our domain list and find the new domain that we want to connect to our Fourthwall. And for me, that would be this one. I also have a private email from Namecheap associated with this domain as well, this one mailbox. Now we don't actually have to do anything from here. All we are going to do is click this connect domain button. And as you can see, as we were talking, the disconnection with the previous domain has already been completed. So I'm going to click the connect domain button, type the name of the domain that I want, and then click connect domain. And we literally have nothing else. Fourthwall uses a service. Here it is. Fourthwall uses a service called Entry to automatically connect your domain to Fourthwall. We have to do literally nothing. Is that wonderful? Then we're just going to click continue. As you can see, it is finding our domain where it is and verifying that we own it. Now we have to log in with our Namecheap details and click continue. I just got a verification email from Namecheap with the verification code. I'm just going to enter the code, and if this page shows up, this parking page value is actually added by Namecheap itself to a new domain that does not have any site connected to it. For this question, we're going to click OK, continue. Though this takes only a few minutes, but like all other type of domain connections, the propagation will take a few hours, and sometimes you can get an error message like this. There is no need to panic. We're just going to try again. We can just do the login again. As you can see, Entry has directly connected our domain to it. But like all other domains, the propagation can take up to 48 hours, that is 2 days, which is mentioned here as well. We're going to click done. As you can see, we have the syncing your domain option now. After the syncing has been done, I will show you how it looks like again. If you are still worried, you can use a free tool like this called DNS Checker that checks the DNS propagation. From here you can from here you add the name of your domain and just click search, and it shows where your DNS has propagated. So you can see the US is done, Canada. Another way to do this is by going to toolbox.googleapps.com/apps.dig slash actually nothing else. This part will appear if we click these options. Now, if you type your domain name and don't see any CNAME propagation, don't be afraid. The CNAME propagation will be shown for this address em-fw.support. Your domain name. For only your domain name, you'll get the A records. So here we go. And there will be no CNAME records, only an A record. And here we get all the records. It is a good way to have some peace of mind. And here we are. The domain has already been connected. We can say that it's connected because there is a connected sign right next to the domain. So if now somebody types this domain in the search engine search bar, then they will be directed to this site. And we can see from the clock here that it took about 1 hour 15 minutes to propagate, which is really fast. Nowhere near 2 days. For more on calm growth, both online and offline, please consider clicking the like and subscribe buttons. I hope this has been helpful to you. Have a good day. See you soon.